Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'll be showing you how I wash and style my hair. So guys, I'll be showing you which shampoo I use and which conditioner I use. I use avocado shampoo and avocado conditioning in my hair to get it smooth. These are the two products that I use. And guys, please remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share it out guys. So guys, made it already comb on my ear off camera because it did take a little time to comb up and things like that. So guys, this is the ear I'm gonna put on my ear, and I made it recently. The video, I put up that video already, so make sure you go and check out that video also. Yes, so my hair is pretty short. It gets short recently. Yes, I would have to treat it to get back my natural hair, so I made these. Yes, you can see in the recent video that I put up. So guys, I'm going to put a little elastic band on my hair, just hold it down. So guys, we're going to go for the ear and we're going to put it on my hair. And remember to like, comment and subscribe. Share out my video.